We need to talk about phones today. Phones are such a rich source of evidence for prosecutors. It is their favorite thing to use when they are trying to convict somebody of a crime. Whether it's law enforcement, prosecutors, whoever it may be, getting into someone's phone is a treasure trove of information. We are talking about oftentimes tons of data, and all it takes is one thing on that phone that can be taken out of context, and you may find yourself arrested, charged, and worse, even convicted based off something that has nothing to do with the case, or maybe it does. But let's talk about some basic rules with your phone. When law enforcement asks you simple questions, the answer is almost always no, particularly in the case of your cellular device. Why are we going to do the cop's job for them? We're not going to. This is not obstruction. This is not about being difficult or about being a butthole or anything like that. This is about one thing. This is about not waiving rights that you are guaranteed in the U.S. Constitution and the Georgia Constitution. So when police say, hey, I've got your phone, first of all, may I have your phone? No, unless they have a warrant for it, right? Second question, may I have the passcode to your phone? There is never a reason to give law enforcement the passcode to your phone. Even if they have a warrant to seize your phone, they cannot get a warrant that makes you tell them the passcode, okay? There may be a little, there's some debate about whether they can get a warrant to scan your face for facial ID, but they cannot get a warrant that makes you give them your passcode. You should never give them your passcode. Hey, can you unlock your phone so I can just look through it real quick? That's it. One word. No. Even if they have a warrant for your phone, they cannot make you unlock it. They may hear things like, hey, you may be told, hey, if you let us in your phone, we'll make sure the prosecutors and the judge know. They may follow through on their promise and let the judge and prosecutor know. Guess what? Judge and prosecutor, they don't care. Okay? They don't. It's not going to help your case. You're not going to get a better outcome because you gave the cops the evidence against you. I promise. People are charged every single day because they give up these rights that are so important and guaranteed to them. They let the officers in their phone. They give them their phone and their code without a warrant. There's no reason, even if they have a warrant for your phone. You got a code on your phone for a reason, right? If you wanted people snooping through your phone, you wouldn't have a code on it. Don't give law enforcement the code to your phone. There is no reason whatsoever.